Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are from group 3 and now we are going to present about our second exhibition, teaching vocabulary to young learners through storytelling. The first material will be explained by me, and then the second presenter is Cindy Hanini. And then the last presenter is Without any further ado, let's begin. Okay? So, introduction to TYL second exhibition was made by Group 3. The content of this exhibition is learning English through storytelling aimed at grade 2 students. We are using the TPR or Total Physical Response method that lasts for 10 minutes of activities. And then the material in the story contains several vocabularies, including vocabularies of animal, fruit, and natural vocabularies. And in its application, we use visual in the form of pictures, also several other properties. The purpose of using storytelling. The first one is to expose children to more language, to revise language or their vocabulary, and then to present new language, also to practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The last one is to expand or enrich children's language. Now, teaching goals. There are 4 teaching goals. The first one, students are able to understand and retell a simple story in English using their own words. The second one, students are able to use at least 3 new vocabularies from the story in their own sentences. The third one, students are able to participate in role play or dramatizations of the story using basic English phrases. And then the last one, students are able to listen attentively and follow the sequence of events in a story told in English. Alright, the next material will be delivered by Cindy Hanini.
Okay, next material is skill focus. The first is perceptive skills, listening and reading. Like example, like identifying and naming the new vocabulary. And the second is productive skills, speaking, mentioning the new vocabulary and using it in their daily life. Like, I really like listening to bedtime story that my mom read it for me every night. Principle of UIL applied. The first is implicit learning. Implicit learning is like listen and do. As we tell the story, we will ask children to act out the part. The second is textual learning, role play. Assign roles like apple, sun, bird, wine, and chill, and have children act out the story using simple proofs. And the last is fun and interactive learning. We choose a story that is short in duration with interesting and funny topics for children. Help us solve problems, encourage us to try new things, and makes us proud of our progress. And the next is approach and method. Approach is communicative language teaching, or CLT, as focus on role play activity. And the method, total physical response, TPR, student will matching and pointing the property based on the story. More active, more creative, and more positive. Next material will be delivered by Bob.
Okay, now is the strategy. The first is warm up, the greeting student, introduction the topic, and fun role play. The second is one activity. Teachers start to read the story. It can be translated to Indonesian in per paragraph. Next is role play activity. Student will be playing a role based on the character of the story. Next is ice-breaking, poetic prompts, and matching them with the vocabulary. And the last is warm-up, closing, and Q&A. Next is reason why we choose the activity. First of all, the activity is fun and easy to do. Also, it suits well for a second grade elementary school student. And is a simple activity but engaging for the children, also the teacher. And the last, choose every short story because to make it easy to understand for the last is conclusion. And the conclusion, the UIL to exhibition by group 3 effectively showcase an engaging method for teaching English to second grade students. Storytelling using the total response or TPR technique. This approach is designed for short, focus on 10-minute activities and leverage visual aid and prompts to immerse students in the vocabulary. Also, a rich environment centered around animal, birds, and nature.
Alright, so maybe that's all from us. Thank you for watching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good, and you?
Okay, now we are going to learn about something cute, something funny, and then something colorful. What is it? Do you know about it? Alright, so today we are going to learn about some fruit that is apple through storytelling. Now I want you to listen carefully and then I will read the story and then you have to listen and grab some new vocabularies from it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's read it. High up in a tree, among the green leaves, hung a little apple with such rosy cheeks, it looked as though it might be sleeping. A little child came near and standing under its branches. She looked up and called to the apple. Oh, apple, come to me. Do come down to me. You do not need to sleep so long. She called so long and begged so hard, but the apple did not wake up. It did not move in its bed, but looked as though it was loving at her in its sleep. Then came the bright sun. High in the heavens he shone. Oh, sun, lovely sun, said the child. Please waken the apple for me, the sun said. Oh, yes, with pleasure I will. So he sent his bright beams straight in the face of the apple and kissed it kindly. But the apple did not move a bit. Next, there came a bird and perched upon a bough of a tree, singing a beautiful song. But even that did not waken the sleeping apple. And then, what's gone now? I know, said the child. He will not kiss the apple, and he cannot sing to it. He will try another way. Sure enough, the wind puffed out his cheeks and blew, shaking the tree. The little apple was so frightened that it awoke and jumped down from the tree, falling right in the front of the little child. She was much surprised and so glad that she spoke to him. And thank you very much, Mr. Wine, said the child. Okay, so just now I read about the sleeping apple. What's the color of apple?
Red.
And then the color of the tree?
Green.
And then?
Brown.
Brown. Good. Okay, now I have this flashcard about things that we have learned, but maybe there is some vocabulary about food. Do you like food?
Yes.
What kind of food do you like?
Sweet.
Spicy food.
Okay, do you like spicy food? Now I have these three flashcards. The first one is candy. Repeat after me.
Candy.
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 And then the second one is chocolate.
Chocolate.
The third one is coffee.
Coffee.
So, which one do you like, Cindy? Okay. Wafa, which one do you like?
Candy.
Candy. And then, do you like coffee, Indira?
No, it's not.
And chocolate. So, do you like chocolate?
I like it big.
Okay. Now, please flip the card, and then you may not able to see the picture.
Yes.
Yes, big.
stand up, please. Stand up, please. And then, if I say sun, 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 you have to move to the left 3 times. If I say sun, sun 2 times, you have to move to the left 2 times. If I say apple, 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 you have to move to the right 3 times. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Sun, sun, sun. Okay. Now, apple, apple, apple.
Apple.
Now, sun. Apple. Apple, sun. Okay, once again. Apple, apple, apple. Sun, sun, sun. Apple, sun. Sun, sun, apple. Okay, good job everyone. Okay, now as you learn about the color of apple and sun, I want you to point the red color and then the yellow color if you see it, okay?
Yes.
Now, please point the red one. Red one. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, please point the yellow one.
Yellow.
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 Okay, this one, yellow. Now, please point the black one. And then, pointing the white one. Okay. And then, after you learn about these vocabularies, how many vocabularies did you get today? Okay. I will ask, start from Cindy. How much vocabulary?
10.
10? Can you mention it?
The color red, white, black, yellow, green, and 3 apple, sun, child, and chocolate.
Okay, good job. How about Alpha?
5 minutes.
Okay, it's okay. Please mention it.
Yellow, sun, candy, coffee, apple.
Okay, now Indira. How about Indira?
10 minutes.
Okay, good job. Mention it,
Brown.
please.
Red, brown, green, and then apple, chocolate, candy, coffee, white, black, and then yellow.
Okay, good job. Good one. Okay, so today we have learned about new vocabularies through storytelling.
Telling.
What the title of the story today? The
Apple.
Sleeping
Apple.
Okay, so the color of apple is
Red.
and then color of the sun,
Yellow.
and then color of the tree.
Green and brown.
Okay, so I hope you can remember this new vocabulary and then apply it to your daily life. Thank you. That's all for me. That's all from today's class. Thank you for coming. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.